Hi guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, May 10 to 12, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Localized Foundation, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Aboitiz Power, and Avenue Plaza Hotel. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have a weak northeasterly wind flow affecting the extreme northern and eastern portions of Luzon, and there is also being some rain showers and isolated thunderstorms across the eastern seaboards of Cagayan, Isabela, Aurora, northern Quezon, and also some areas of the Bicol region. So thunderstorms will be expected, and it will last for the next 24 hours. In some areas of the Bicol region, expect some thunderstorms, rain showers to persist or to be felt beginning tomorrow morning. So it's gonna be earlier than expected because of this departing frontal system, wherein the shear line is only up to the Philippine Sea. Okay, so, but the thunderstorms that will be expected as it is embedded with this northeasterly wind flow. The rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair with afternoon and evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Heat index reaching as high of around 45 to 50 degrees centigrade will be expected in some areas. No developing LPAs right now across the whole of the Western Pacific. And by the way, those living on low-lying areas and landslide-prone areas, please take all necessary precautions for possible flooding that will be generated whenever a localized thunderstorms passes over your area. Okay, so that's the latest from GraphSat. Here's the fast estimation. So it's all clear across the Philippine Islands, nothing to worry about. In the latest Windy.com EUMETSAT satellite loop, you can clearly see here at late afternoon some thunderstorms developing over the western sections of central Luzon, and also affecting Metro Manila, portions of Metro Manila, okay, and also here portions of the Bicol region and Mindanao. So far, that's the the zoom in satellite animation. Now let's take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, ECMWF, according to windy.com. Tomorrow afternoon, we expect some light winds from the northeast to prevail in the northern and eastern coastal waters of Luzon, while the rest of the archipelago will have variable to easterly winds. It's still pleasant, nothing to worry about except for the usual thunderstorms. Friday afternoon, same wind system, northeasterlies across the eastern and extreme northern parts of Luzon, including the coastal waters of the Bicol region, while the rest of the archipelago will remain calm to variable winds. And Saturday afternoon, the winds from the northeast will weaken considerably, and only just a easterly wind flow over the Calayan Island group of the Babuyan, while the rest will remain calm to light winds in variable directions. And let's take a look at the rain forecast for the next 24 hours. So like what I said, tomorrow morning, let me push it here. That's it, 5, 6, 7 until likely 11 a.m. Bicol region might be experiencing some localized thunderstorms because of the northeasterly wind flow, which could generate some series of thunderstorms here, particularly over Catanduanes, Partito District, Eastern Albay, and Eastern Sorsogon. So we also expect some thunderstorms over the inland areas of Camarines provinces, including Naga City and Iriga, by tomorrow early or mid-morning. So watch out for that. Bring your umbrellas, bring your rain gear. And in the afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, only small areas of the Bicol region will be affected by thunderstorms, and also over Calabarzon, Mindoro, Eastern Visayas, portions of Central Luzon, portions of Southern Mindanao. Friday afternoon, again, localized thunderstorms will be expected in smaller areas of Zambales, Calabarzon, Mindoro, Albay, and Samar Island or Samar provinces, including northern Negros and northern Panay. Southern Mindanao will also have possible localized thunderstorms by Friday afternoon. Now, how about Saturday afternoon? We have another round of thunderstorms that could form in various sections of Mindanao, Eastern Visayas, Western Visayas, okay, Mindoro, Zambales, Bataan area, and some areas of northern and central Luzon, Calabarzon, and smaller areas of the Bicol region. So that will be Saturday afternoon. So before we leave you, here's the latest global topics hazards. And this is the latest one from the Climate Prediction Center, issued every Tuesday. And since today is Wednesday, we are now giving you the very latest for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Remember, the 2 to 3 weeks forecast remains 50% to below 20% probability. So this is valid for the next 3 weeks. Okay. Now for week 2, valid May 17 to May 23. East of the Philippine Islands, we will be seeing some more than 20% of possible, 20% chance of possible tropical cyclone formation, but it's not yet, actually it's so low, 20% probability, so it could push through or not. And on week 3, valid May 24 to May 30th, the Philippine Sea, West Philippine Sea, the whole of the Philippine Islands will be having some 50% or more above average rainfall. Okay, so that will be the scenario. Most likely, these are the series of surface troughs or LPA forming. But we will see, okay, when we reach that part of the week of May 24th to May 30th. Again, more than 50% chance of rainfall of above average across the Philippine Islands between May 24th to May 30th. So let's see if it will change by next Wednesday. So there you go. That's the latest from the various computer models, as well as our weather conditions for the next 3 days here at our country, the Philippines. This is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Take care always. And see you again this weekend.